Wala na, tanggal kami. Tapos yung time na yun, kuya, parang ang dami ko pang lakas. Parang kaya ko pa siguro 2 oras. Yung ganun yung pakiramdam ko.
Asver,
Thank you, Lord!
congratulations.
Thank you, Lord!
Kayo ang nagwagi sa Big Jump Challenge.
I was super relieved. It was the best feeling to finally let go of those blocks. And I looked at AZ and I was just so happy for the both of us.
Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord! I couldn't help myself talaga, kuya. I was so happy.
Kunin nyo na ang pwesto ninyo at tumuntong sa Big 4 platform.
We did it.
AZ at River, congratulations! Bahagi na kayo ng Big 4.
Ito yung pangarap namin. Ito yung pinagdadasal namin ng ilang araw, kuya, ilang weeks na. Ito talaga yung nilook forward namin, kuya.
Grabe, ang galing mo, AZ. You never gave up. You never gave up. You never gave up.